Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the 7 best Bluetooth FM transmitters for sound quality. Are you looking for a car Bluetooth FM transmitter? Then check out this list of our best FM transmitter Bluetooth for cars. We only show you the best FM transmitter for sound quality that you will love, and they are amazingly good. It can be very exciting to listen to your favorite songs while driving. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Many people have used devices like smartphones or MP3 players to stream music while in the car. But the truth is that most of these devices are not standard enough. A Bluetooth FM transmitter is the best device to stream music in your car. However, you should know that not every FM transmitter in the market is of high quality. Since they have gained mass popularity, there have been several choices for people to choose from. In this video, I have come up with the top 7 FM transmitters with good sound quality on Amazon. If you are one of those drivers who like to listen to music while driving, then you are in the right place. FM transmitter kits can have different kinds of installation. You can just clip some to your sun visor while some need to be installed by professionals. There are also some that you need to connect to the speaker of your car because they use the FM signal, and others are connected to your car stereo using an auxiliary port. Regardless of any one you choose, they all serve the same purpose. You need to connect the device to your mobile phone using Bluetooth, and then it will convert the audio on your phone. Then, you will find an FM station on your vehicle's stereo that isn't used, and you tune the radio there. It can also be used to answer phone calls without any disturbance whatsoever. One of the biggest advantages of an FM transmitter is that its volume is high. The only thing that can limit you is the stereo system in the car you use. Additionally, most of them do not have a battery, so you will need to connect them to your charging port when you are streaming music from it. 7 best transmitters on Amazon are: 1. Nulexi Wireless In-Car Bluetooth Transmitter. This is one of our best FM transmitters for sound quality, and it's our favorite wireless or Bluetooth FM transmitter car. The Nulexi transmitter is designed in such a way that it looks more advanced than the normal FM transmitter you might have seen before. It is very affordable and easy to use. How to use it: plug it into your vehicle's 12-volt outlet with the adjustable stand, keeping the controls separate. It is modernized and will give your car's stereo the most quality sound. Pros: it is the best FM transmitter with its high-end quality and reliability. Nulexi is compatible with almost all the devices on the market and can be connected with Bluetooth, aux cable, and TF card. Additionally, it reduces noise and ensures you enjoy clear sound. You can also view your phone calls, battery voltage, and music on its screen without any distractions while driving. 2. VictSing Upgraded Version V5.0 FM Transmitter. This transmitter has a connectivity feature that works as an interface between your vehicle and mobile phones. It uses Bluetooth South Dakota, an auxiliary input, so there are no restrictions if you decide to opt for this. You can also decide to use one of its 2 USB ports with a flash drive. You can enjoy any format of music like MP3, WAV, or WMA. Pros: it is compatible with advanced Bluetooth V5.0 and has a stable sound with fast pairing. You can also connect with devices such as iPhone, iPad, LG, Samsung, HTC, and other smartphones. It also fits cars and trucks with 12 volts to 24 volts. In addition, you can make use of Google Assistant or Siri to send texts, call, or ask for directions. It is very convenient and provides voice commands. Then, it has a blue LED light that will illuminate your car at night, giving it a very attractive look. 3. Tautronics Bluetooth 5.0 Transmitter. This is number 3 on the Amazon store, with amazing reviews and ratings. It is upgraded and also uses a Bluetooth V5.0 transmitter. You can also pair it with 2 receivers at the same time. Pros: it streams music even while it is charging, and its battery can last for up to 10 hours while you are using it. It can be used as a home transmitter as it turns devices like TV, CD player, PC into Bluetooth transmitters. You get to enjoy high quality and daily customer service. If you are looking for the best Bluetooth FM transmitter car kit, then this might be your next choice. 4. Z-Port Bluetooth FM Transmitter for Car. This is a music player kit with 7 LED backlit, cyan, blue, red, white, green, blue, and purple, 2 USB ports, and supports flash drive. It also has a fast charging speed and reduces power dissipation. Pros: it has a duplex sound quality, and you can also enjoy podcasts and stereo music players with it. It suppresses noise and has an inbuilt microphone. Additionally, Z-Port supports all Bluetooth devices, either with Android devices or iOS. 5. Bluetooth FM transmitter for car. This is a wireless transmitter receiver that has a USB charging port, hands-free calling, and supports an SD card. It can charge most USB devices and also mobile phones. You can swiftly change from music mode to call mode while driving without any disturbance. How to use it? All you need to do is plug it into your vehicle's cigarette lighter and pair it with either your radio or smartphone. After doing it, it connects the next time automatically. Pros: it has a CVC technology that cancels noise and gives clear sound. There is no external interference while using this transmitter. It supports the A2DP function and works excellently well with DF and SD cards. Also compatible with every mobole device. 6. Nulexi Bluetooth FM transmitter for car. This is a car Bluetooth transmitter with 7 LED colors: yellowish green, red, green, blue, cyan, and purple, and it supports a flash drive. It is very fast and easy to use, with the largest and fastest charging technology in the world. Nulexi can charge devices to their full power in 35 minutes. Pros: it has a voltmeter that will show you the condition of your car battery. It also reduces noise to aid hands-free calls with just a press of a button. You can enjoy the high quality and clear sound when streaming music. 7. Vixing Bluetooth FM transmitter. This is also highly recommended in store, with up to 7,488 ratings. It has a USB port and supports an 1.44-inch display DF slot. This product is very compatible with most devices that use Bluetooth connectivity. It also has a 1.44 inches screen which lets its users have a clear view of music name, battery voltage, and incoming numbers. Pros: it automatically connects with recognized devices and has a fast charging speed. In addition, it supports microSD in the format up to 32GB and others like MP3, FLAC, O, input or output, and A2DP. So if you are looking for a good FM transmitter car kit, then this is one of the best FM transmitters for sound quality. You might want to consider buying this. In conclusion, after going through all the devices, the decision as to what Bluetooth FM transmitter to buy lies solely in your hands. Choosing the best FM transmitter for sound quality is totally dependent on know you want, and then you check for the services each of the listed brands offer, and then pick the one that fits what you want exactly. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.